And we're making slime that turns liquid and solid. So first you need something to stir with, a big bowl, a cup that holds water, food coloring, and cornstarch. And I'm going to use goggles just in case if it's messy. So first I need to get some water. And I probably need 2 cups of this because I'm making yogurt or something. Yeah, that's enough. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cornstarch. Okay. Need a spoon. I think I should do like 2 scoops. 1, 2. Okay, I'm just gonna dump this. Okay, all of it. Gonna dump all of it. God. Well, now I'm gonna add food coloring. I'm gonna do some grape purple. I'm gonna do like 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And now, who likes stirring food coloring? Me! The more force I get it, the tougher it comes. It's a solid and a liquid. Oh, I never tried this before. I gotta show my brother later. And if you're a scientist, you gotta check this out. It feels a little weird, but it's so fun. Yeah.
All right.
Like and subscribe for the STEAM team and Lilly and Me.